Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple process of exporting video messages from public channels on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to keep your favorite video messages stored safely on your computer, this method is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on it to expand the main options. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll through the list until you find Advanced. Click on it, and this will open up a set of additional tools and options made for more detailed control of your Telegram account. Next, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. This is the section that allows you to download and save different kinds of content from your account. Once you're here, you'll notice multiple checkboxes that let you choose exactly what type of data you want to export. Since we're only focusing on public channels, make sure you select the option labeled Public Channels. Then, scroll further down until you see the option for video messages. Tick that box as well, because this is the specific media type we want to save. Now that your options are selected, look for the button that says Export and click it. At this point, Telegram will start collecting the data for you. Depending on how much content you've chosen, the process may take some time, so be patient while it runs. When the export finishes, you'll see a button that says Show My Data. Click on that, and Telegram will open a folder that contains all of the files you requested, including your exported video messages from public channels. From there, you can organize them, move them to another location, or keep them exactly as they are for safekeeping. And that's it. Your video messages are now successfully exported and stored on your computer. This update makes it incredibly easy to back up important media, and now you know exactly how to do it step by step.